Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. In the right hand side here, my commissions box is $286.95. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how this is the mega link, and the mega link is where you take one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams. It was created by this gentleman here, an English gentleman, Wayne Crowe. He's the creator and the owner of the OLSP system. And the link in the description will give you access to a free video, a short video about 10 minutes long, where you can come and meet Wayne Crowe, and he will explain all about the mega link. I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you step by step how this system works. First of all, I'll just show you some proof of multiple income streams. So I'll go into commissions in my account, and I'll take you right back to the beginning of my journey and show you the 100% commissions. So okay, we don't want support. Just bear with me to scroll down a bit further here so we can get to these this page here. So you'll see December the 6th is where I started with OLSP system. The mega link is a 100% $7 commission. This is the amount in this column here. You'll also see a product here, another one of the other multiple income streams, and it's called Mega Messenger. That is a monthly recurring commission as long as your referrals stay a member of that product, Mega Messenger. And that one, as the one-time offer, will earn you $10.80. And then we go on to a different page and we see some more income streams here. So you've got some more mega links, some more 100% commissions here. Another Mega Messenger. And you'll see one here, it's called List Building and Magic Link. And this is another one of the income streams. And this is a $7 one. And I'll show you. So on here, you start to pick up, get the foundations in place. And you've got some more list building and magic here. 1, 2, 3 list building and magic link, more mega links. I want to show you, might be on here, I want to show you how you can earn a product that you get with Megalink is called CD Comment Pro. And you see these 25 cent commissions here that all add up. So what you can do is you can comment within the Facebook group of OLSP system, and you can earn commissions just for commenting within that group. I'll just show you some proof of that shortly. So right back to the beginning here, we're down to the balance of $286.95. You'll see some more Mega Messenger here, some more comments that I've made. Maybe I'll just show you that shortly, where I'll show you how that works. I'm going to do a different video on that, but go back into my dashboard here. And this product down here is called Dominator Pro. So you access that product here. You'll see I've made 16 comments and I've earned $3.25. Now, what some members do, if you're on a really tight budget, you can use this product to comment on Facebook within our group, and you can get back up to your $7 and get the money back that you paid for your mega link, because it's a one-time $7 with no monthly membership costs. And that video there by Wayne will teach you exactly how that works. So the way this system really excels is the training and the support that you get. So I'm going to show you shortly how it all works. But first of all, when you join, I recommend these 2 free trainings here, which are how Wayne made 10 million in commissions and the 100 commission hack. So 2 great trainings there. He does weekly live trainings. There's more replays in the members area. But I do recommend that you watch those 2 when you first join. So let's just have a look now and how this system works and how simple this system really is. There's nothing hard, nothing technical about it. It's perfect for beginners, but because there's no monthly membership costs, you've got a great opportunity to be able to get into profit fast because you're paying that one time $7. So this is a training. When you get your mega link, you come into your training here. There's 6 videos here. And what you'll see is that Wayne has done this training. Now, don't get overwhelmed by all these boxes. I'm going to show you how simple it is to do this. So you'll see that Wayne's drawn a line down here. He's drawn this line, and this line's really important because everything to the left of the line is all you've got to be concerned with. And the reason I say that is everything to the right of this line here is all 100% done for you. So what Wayne will teach you in this training is you pay your one time $7. You get your mega link, which is in the top right hand corner here. And then your mega link is what you promote, and you get a done for you lead capture page. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create any autoresponder messages. You don't have to pay any monthly autoresponder membership fees. You're just going to promote one link, which is your mega link. Now, what he teaches you in the training here, what Wayne will teach you is how to drive traffic to your mega link. And that's the only one thing that you've got to do. Just one thing. That's all you do is drive traffic to your lead capture page. So you just, and you've got to learn traffic anyway if you want to promote any affiliate marketing offer. Now, he will train you on how to get traffic over here. And he will also do live weekly trainings and replays on how to get traffic. So you're in very good hands. And then everything, once you've done that, once you learn your traffic and you start to promote your mega link, then everything on the right hand side of that line that I drew is all a done for you system. You're going to get everything over here for your one time $7. The value is absolutely superb. You're just going to pay a one time $7, and I'll show you now how this system works and how Wayne takes over to help you earn your commission. So you promote your squeeze page, your lead capture page, done for you. Your prospects put their information in and they go onto an email list. Wayne and his team take over. They send out the emails for you on autopilot. So you could be at work, you could be asleep, you could be with your family or your friends. And then within those emails, this is really key, are your affiliate links. He's promoting you on autopilot. Now, he also creates his own products. He spent $250,000 on this system. So what he does, he promotes offers for you to earn commissions. It's a very powerful system. Now, these offers range from low ticket to medium ticket commissions, monthly recurring commissions, and high ticket commissions. And then when somebody buys, he will send out these emails for life to a buyer. So if anybody buys from the emails that he sends out on your behalf, that's when you start to earn the commissions. You can also earn by promoting yourself, but the autopilot done for you system also takes over as well. So lots of circles, lots of boxes. Don't get overwhelmed. You've only got to do one thing. You've got to join, you get your mega link, and then he'll train you in the members area and with his live trainings how to promote it. And it gets even better because of the Facebook group. So this system prides itself on the support and the community that the members get. So you're not going to be on your own. There's 142,000 members within this Facebook group. And Wayne himself is in the Facebook group, very, very active in the group. And you're going to get help, support, training, anything you need to become successful. So Wayne's mission really is to help everybody make money online, and he's doing a great job with that. So I'd like to make an income disclaimer because I'm not going to make any guarantees or income claims in this video. Just showing you what works for me and other members. We've all got an equal opportunity to join OLSP System as a member and also promote it as an affiliate. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week. I do generally one a day. If you've got any more questions about OLSP System, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer your questions. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So I recommend the link in the description will give you access to this video here. Come and meet Wayne Crowe. This gentleman is really helping everybody at all levels become successful with affiliate marketing. He's been online for 15 years and he's now sharing with us exactly how we can follow on and become successful ourselves. So from beginners to intermediates to advanced, he's doing some fantastic work. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.